Hello and welcome to Don's Workshop. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of my GT 40 Lego build. And let's get going into this. Here's where we left off. I got the engine here. To putting the next pieces in here. Maybe finish off these one bags. Okay, these go here. And there and there. Okay, now the shocks. These go here. Okay. Or are they supposed to hook onto anything? No, they don't. Probably supposed to hook onto that, but they don't show hooking onto that. Okay, now, next page. Okay, they are supposed to hook onto that. Hooking on over here. One. That's two. Another. Nope. Gonna cooperate. There it goes. There we go. That is some pretty good shocks there. That's pretty good. And now we need to use this piece. And let's see, we need three black pins, it says. And go over here. One here, and one here. Which way? Oh, is it supposed to sit this way? Is up. Okay. It's got the little cutout piece there. Okay, and then these go over here. Two red pieces. Okay. And then we need to get that over here. Okay, that goes there. And that one there. So those are probably going to snap into something. Okay. Yep. So this is going this way. Goes behind. So this is going here. Or no, this is going here. Red pieces out there. It slides in. Okay. So this is going here. And the two red ones slide in. Those sides. There we go. Stay upside down, I guess. There's this. It goes, oh, it goes over here. It's everything solid to there. Back the other way around. Got this and this. I'll put these together. Need two of those. And it's supposed to go in here. Oh, other way around. Okay. One of these. That's not the right one. That's the right one. Okay. Gotta say 4 times. It does say 4 times. Let's get these pieces here, here, and then it's 2 of these. That's 1. That's the 2. And these need to go in to these areas here. Get that in there. Okay. That's one of those. That over here. There we go. That's the 2 of them. Now where does that go? It goes on here. Get it in the middle. I think that's right. Hope it looks right. Okay. There we go. Okay. One of these. This thing goes in the middle. I'm gonna go in the middle one. I think. And it needs a collar on it. I need this. The pin. Down, and then this goes on top of there. Not like that. That. Okay, is that going to be... Yeah, it's showing that. And then this is supposed to go here. Okay. One of these. So go here. Where are the two colors go there? Okay. And this is supposed to go here. It's supposed to go there. And then I need this to go here and here. Another little build here. And this. No, we gotta put that on there. And slide that there. This goes in this way. Or it's just gonna hang down, I guess. Maybe. Okay. That's supposed to go in the front. That's weird. That's just gonna sit in there. It's not being good. Come on. Come on. Go in there. There Okay. Now we're jumping to another different part here. This gear color. Color, and that's over here. Oh, look at that. That's on that older piece. There's the gear for turning that. Maybe something else comes up here. Okay. Got this piece. That. And then I'm supposed to put, okay, that's supposed to go there. So yay. Which way is that? Oh, it's supposed to go down. That's down. That's out. There we go. Oh, okay. I'll leave her here to do something. There we go. Two of these go in here. That's going to be that, and that's going to hold that in place. There we go. There, let's put that in place. Okay, now we have this. Oh, I gotta turn it upside down. That makes sense. That's gonna be the only way to get that gear in there. Make sure this sticks like that, stays like that, I guess. And this is supposed to go. Can we get it straight? Or does it care? Come on, there we go. Oh, it's gonna spin anyway. Or is it, wait. Oh, there's nothing there. Is it supposed to just stick out? What is it supposed to do? Yeah, there's the box piece. I'm gonna show me something here. Or is that one the wrong one? Oh, there's a short brown one. Oh, okay, here we go. That's the right one. So, there we go. That makes more sense. There. Okay. And then a white piece with a pin. These mystery operations here. Doesn't go that way. Goes this way. And I have this one. Put that on there. Oh, I can line it up right like that, I guess. And it goes right there. that far. I'm gonna hook this up to there. Okay. And then, okay, what is that? Is that this one? Okay, it is this one. It is this one. Okay. And then we got this goes through the back all the way into there. That's the other piece there. Oh, we have this green piece. It goes like that. That's tan piece. Now we have that together. It hooks into here and to that. Okay. There. Oh yeah, that's pulling that back and forth too. And now I have that goes over here. Blue ones, these go. So turn it back over. Oh, we have to do this. That in there. And that in there. And then we have it. Then we need this to focus again. Maybe. There. That camera's starting to be annoying. Doesn't stay in focus, does it? Okay. Those two pieces. Well, they both go on the same side here. Together. Okay. Now I need another one. As this. Goes over here. And now I need the last block. Axle. Goes in front here. Okay. Something going on there. Now this big piece and two of these. Okay. That goes. That's showing that hooks to the red one, so is it just the red one? Okay. Oh, I guess the white one too. Or the black one that's in the middle. There we go. Okay. Now these two pieces. All the way in there. And then go up here. Okay. Now I have one of these. Start it with it like that. That goes there. Then it's supposed to be this piece. First I put it through. Okay, have these. No, it's not these. I've got two of these, but this can't, it can't be these two. Oh, okay, it is. It's okay, I'm looking at it the wrong way. They go like that. Okay, so that's supposed to go like that, and that like that. Okay. And then, oh, wait. How did that end up in there? It's just like, and step 2. I guess. Okay. So that goes here. And it's supposed to be like that. Okay. I think that's going to get something else that's going to get pushed around. Okay. Night and day. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Oh, this is this glows in the dark, I guess. That's it. I don't know. Oh, it does. That glows in the dark. Okay, 2 of these. And that goes in here. And oh, what's that? Is it supposed to hook up to the? Okay, it's supposed to hook up to that. So put that on there. Glow in the dark stick. Why it needs to glow in the dark, I don't know, but I guess we'll see. Or we'll see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's all moving together now. Okay. Now I've got that. These two. The 2 volts is 2. Goes on each side. Okay. this way. This way, go here. And this way, it goes here. Okay. And that is into those bags. So I think they're going to say that's the end of part. That's the end of part 3 of this GT40 build. If you like to see more, join me for part 4. Please subscribe, get notifications. And okay, that's going to be okay. That has been part 3 of my GT40 Lego build. Please subscribe if you would like to get notifications about my new videos, and please join me tomorrow if you want to see part 4. Anyway, take it easy and goodbye.